Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the Wakame fast in Heartopia. So in this Call of Wheels event, the new event in Heartopia, you can gather the new resources that you must have the resources to cook a new recipe in this event. And one of the resources that you must have is this Wakame, this plant. You can get this Wakame at the uh, Waterfall area over here, or you can also get it around the camp. And usually this Wakame located on the big stone like this, above the big stone like this. So if you spot this Wakame, just tap on the button to pick this Wakame, and then just walk around again. Usually this wakame is located over the big stone like this, and usually it has a cold sparkle. It has a cold sparkle like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!